Hi everyone, I'm Davia Kirkpatrick and I will be your instructor for this fall semester. So I wanted to just do a quick welcome video, just kind of walking you through our course. I know a lot of you, this is your first time on campus taking an online course, and so there are a couple of ways that you'll be able to access our course and our modules. So one way is you can click over here, as I just did, on the modules tab and click on Start Here First. I think one of the most important things I want to make sure everyone understands is although you can do things from your phone, which is awesome, some things are quick and easy to do, you do need to be on a laptop or a PC or some sort of device where you're able to go through and see all of the content pages. Unfortunately, the app does not allow you to go through all the content pages, so you will be missing a lot of important information. So at the start of each module, and again, modules open every Monday morning, and then all things are always due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. But every module will have just kind of a content page at the beginning, a welcome page, an objectives page, so to speak. So just kind of walking you through what's going to be due this week. And then right here, again, we're on that Start Here First module. This is just a little bit about me. And then this is something that you are going to want to either print or have downloaded to have access to. So every semester, I have students emailing me, when is this due, when is that due, when is the big ed plan due, when is our final, and that kind of thing. So this is something that you're going to want to make sure that you have handy, that you can access when you need it. So again, there is something called syllabus shock that people get when they are looking at this, 7, 8, 9-page syllabus. Don't worry about it. It's something that everyone usually gets when they see it. So you will get through this semester. I've taught this the last, 4 years or so, and students generally do really well. The biggest thing for me is always communicate with me. So if there are concerns or you aren't sure about something, just let me know. Just email with me, okay? All right, so again, here is our syllabus. Make sure, again, you've printed or downloaded it. Super important. Oops. All right, and then we'll go to the next page. And so then this is a tour of the Canvas classroom. So this would be a very helpful video for students who have never taken an online course before. This kind of walks you through explaining how Canvas works and how to access things. This is my assignment. This is my policy on grading information and late work. Again, late work is not accepted in my course. However, if you turn something in and you don't like the grade that you've received, you can always return it in. So I allow resubmissions. Students can resubmit work for full credit. So that is something that you can do in my class. Class participation. So this is a big one. And again, for those of you who are not attending live, you can just answer the question of the week, and this is going to be the question of the week. So if you have not logged in for more than 1 week, you will be dropped, okay? I will email you and just kind of check in, hey, are you still planning to continue with our course? If you do not submit something for 2 consecutive weeks, so even if you log in, if you do not submit something for 2 weeks, you're automatically dropped as well. Okay, so just kind of keep that in mind. So that's where the communication piece is super, super important. All right, and then that little thing right here, this little poster, this is just kind of reminding students that since we do discussions every week, we are communicating with each other and interacting, that there is a person, a human, on the other side of the screen. So if someone writes something that you don't agree with or you have a different view or opinion, please, let's keep it professional. Just be kind. Okay, required course materials. I've been asked this already a couple of times about our book. So we are using a new book. Well, it's new for this course, and it's free. So it's through the online educational resources called Blueprint for Success in College and Career. So again, you'll just click on it. You can choose how you would like to download the book. And the chapters are super short. So there will be some weeks where you are seeing, I'm going to have you read 5 or 6 chapters. But again, some of the chapters are 2 or 3 little pages. So that's our book. All right. And you will need to have the Columbia College catalog as well. So again, that's a free link. And then this is just about support services and resources. So just all the different things that Columbia College has to offer. Disability special programs, technology and support, that kind of thing, academic integrity. And then that's it for the Start Here First module. So that's just kind of a lot of the informational items that we need to cover. And then here's where we are actually going to dive into work for week 1. All right. So this week, and again, make sure you are clicking on every content page. So I'm asking you to please download the student letter of understanding form, and then you're just going to initial it and send it back. And this is just updating your Canvas profile. I'm asking that you please put a little picture of yourself over in the corner that we can see. Again, it's nice to know when you're communicating with someone who you're talking to. So no cartoon characters or pictures of your animals. I'm hoping that you'll put a picture of yourself, of your face. All right, and then these are the discussions that we have every week. This first week is a real simple one, just an introduction meet and greet. I'm just asking for you to kind of talk to us about what your goals are for the course, how it is that you're taking this course, what are you at Columbia College, what are you working towards at Columbia College, that sort of thing. Alrighty, and then we do have a quiz on our syllabus, so again, you'll want to have that handy. And the good thing about our course is that I allow students for quizzes, not the final, but for quizzes, you guys can retake quizzes as many times as you want. I will keep the highest grade. The final is just a one-shot deal, but quizzes, they're untimed. You can take them as many times as you want. I want you guys to learn the material, but also get a good grade. Okay, and then, oops, I kind of got ahead of myself. So chapters 1 through 3 in our free book that you have online, that is where, that's what this quiz will be on. All right, and there we go. So the extra credit live sessions, those are pop-up live sessions. So when I do them, you'll have a notification usually an hour or so before, and then you guys can hop on live. If you hop on live, you do not need to submit anything. If not, then I have a question of the week that you'll submit and answer, and that's all you have to do. It's super easy. Okay, let me know if I can help in any way. Hope this was helpful. Bye.